My name's Nikolas Willson. I'm Head of Apprenticeships for Engineering, Health and Science at EKC Training. Essentially, all apprenticeships are a collaboration between the training provider, us, and the employer, and we all work out together the route that we want to take to give the young person, or indeed older person, the knowledge, skills and behaviours that they need to successfully complete their job role. Young people are going to be the workers of the future, and if we're not providing them with the opportunities to learn the skills that they need, then we're doing them a massive disservice. A long time ago I did a 5-year-long maintenance engineering apprenticeship, so I worked company local to Dover. I believe my apprenticeship is probably the biggest reason why I've never been out of work. It gave me a really broad range of skills that I could apply to other job roles. So I trained as a maintenance engineer, ended up doing a bit of marine engineering, and over the course of my career I've learnt such a wide range of skills, and I've always really been involved in apprenticeships in one way or another.